Hey everyone, I'm Mayank Agarwal and welcome back to the Quality Excellence channel. Today, I want to dive into something every data science student needs to know: the difference between continuous and discrete data. Trust me, this is fundamental for statistics, analytics, and quality improvement. Let's get started. First up, what is continuous data? Continuous data is measurable, meaning it can take any value within a certain range, even decimals. Think about weight, temperature, height, or time. For example, if you measure someone's height, you could say 170.2 centimeters, or even 170.25. The possibilities are infinite within that range. Now, discrete data. This type of data is countable and can only take specific separate values. No fractions, no decimals, just whole numbers. For example, the number of products in a box, total employees in a department, or how many defects you find on a production line. You can't have 2.5 employees or 3.7 defective items. It's always a whole number. Let's picture it. If you were to plot continuous data, you'd probably use a histogram or a box plot to show the spread. For discrete data, you'd go for a bar chart or maybe a pie chart because you're counting distinct things. Here's a simple breakdown. Continuous data, infinite values, decimals allowed, measured, and usually shown with histograms, box plots, or control charts. Discrete data, fixed countable values, no decimals, counted, and best represented with bar charts, pie charts, or Pareto charts. Let's talk formulas. For continuous data, two main ones to remember: mean, which is just the sum of all values divided by the number of values, and standard deviation, which measures how spread out the numbers are. With discrete data, think in terms of proportions or rates. Defect rate is the number of defects divided by total units times 100. Proportion is defective items over the total sample size. Where do you use each? Continuous data shines when you're measuring performance, tracking time, or monitoring weights and temperatures. Discrete data is your go-to for quality control, like counting defects, auditing, or tracking how often something happens. If you're unsure which data type you have, run through this checklist. Is your data measurable or countable? Do you see decimals in your data set? Are you tracking performance or just frequency? What chart fits your data best? Are your statistical tools right for the data type? Here's a quick timeline to guide your analysis. Day 1. Identify variables and define your data type. Day 2-3. Collect and organize your sample data. Day 4. Apply formulas and plot your charts. Day 5. Analyze trends and differences. Day 6-7. Summarize findings and share your results. That's it. Understanding the difference between continuous and discrete data is key for choosing the right tools and making your analysis accurate. If you found this helpful, hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the Quality Excellence channel for more tips. This is Mayank Agarwal signing off. See you in the next video.